Teacher, you're not talking.
Yeah, okay. So, can you see this one?
Yes.
Yeah, it's cardigan, jumper, and sweatshirt. Okay. Leggings, pajama, and tracksuit. Okay. Sneakers, tie, trainers. In my country, okay, there is no difference with sneakers and trainers. It's just like rubber shoes. We call it rubber shoes, Caroline. Okay,
Yes.
so yes, I don't know in Vietnam. How do you call uh sneakers and rubber shoes? That one. I don't know if sneakers and trainers. Is it the same or different?
It's the same.
Okay, the same. Okay, light. When you say the word light, it is pale in color. Okay, when you say dark, not light, closer to dark black than to white. And beige, it's light yellow brown color. It's like white, but it's just like lighter than white. And then cream, pale color between yellow and white. So beige is like yellow and brown and white. And cream is between yellow and white. But actually, if you were gonna mix this up, they are just quite the same. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
Okay. Are we right? We're done with this, right? Sorry. Are we done with this?
Yes, we can.
Yeah, we're done, right? Sorry, Caroline. Okay, let us. Before a minute, Caroline. It's really very hot today, Caroline. How about in Vietnam? Is it hot? I know. It's okay.
It's warm,
It's
but very
normal.
hot.
Oh yeah, here, Caroline, very, very hot. Okay, by the way, Caroline, if you have something to ask, like you can message Teacher Anne. Okay, if you have concern, like teacher, I want to do you know this one? Okay, you can message me, okay? Don't be shy.
Okay.
If you have homework in school, you can message Teacher Anne. Okay?
Okay.
Na, 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 na. So here, unit 4, food. Ade. Look at the photo. Choose one meal that looks tasty, healthy, quick to make, or the filling.
Teacher, what's fueling me?
Uh-huh.
What's fueling me?
Feeling like there's a feel inside that one.
What?
Okay, it's tasty. You know this. Healthy, quick to make, and filling. Okay, like this. Mhm. Okay, like this one. Leaving one pleasantly satisfied. Feeling spicy. Okay, this one, like this. There is a feeling in that particular food or particular viand. So you will gonna put like this, and there's, if you were gonna taste that one, it still looks like different or tastes different. Okay?
Okay. Teacher.
Do you have answer? Okay. What food is tasty for you?
I think the picture letter, the picture 3, 4, and 6.
Okay, four or six? Four?
3, 4, and 6.
Okay, three, four. That's okay. Three, four, and six for you. Okay. How about the healthier one? Which do you think is healthy for you?
I think the healthy is number 1, 2, and 6.
Okay, one, two. Do you think that? One, two, and six. Okay.
Yeah.
Healthy for you. Okay, for me, the healthy here is this one, maybe the fruits. And yeah, I don't know, it's vegetables. Quick to make. It means easy to make. Which one is easy to make?
The number 2 and number 6.
Two and six. It's very easy to make. It's a sandwich. Okay, how about feeling that looks delicious for you?
Then number 3, 4, and
Three. Three, four, and
5.
five. Yeah, for you, that looks delicious. Okay, so we have here some vocabulary. We have, okay, so do you like this, Caroline? This one. Crisps. Do you like this?
Crisps.
The crisps. Crisps. Do you like this?
Yes.
Red bell pepper.
Red
Okay.
pepper.
And lambed. Oh my God. Do you eat lambed?
Lamb.
Oh yeah. Do you eat like this? It's a lambed. Do you know lambed?
Yes, I
Just
know.
like a family of goat and sheep. Okay. Do you eat that one?
No.
Oh. Next here we have, okay, the
Lettuce.
lettuce and the olive and the prawn. Okay, do you eat lettuce? Sometimes we put lettuce in the bread. Okay, do you like to eat lettuce?
Yes. I like.
Olive. Looks like grapes. And prawn. Do you like to eat prawn?
Very much.
Oh, very much? Or you don't like?
Do you mean prawn or olive?
Yeah. Olive first. Do you eat olive? We don't have olive in my country. I never see olive yet. But
I haven't
prawn,
ate.
you haven't ate. How about prawn? Have you tried eating prawn? It's delicious.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. This one, toast. The toast bread. Oh my
Toast.
God. Toast bread.
Toast.
Yes.
Green pepper.
Green pepper. And of course, the
Cereal.
cereal. Okay.
Mm.
The cereal. Okay, so this one, listen and repeat the words in the list, then match them with the photos. Okay? So what do you think are the names or the ingredients from this 6 menu here?
Well,
Okay, example, sausages, mashed potato. This one is the mashed potato, the peas, and the onions. Okay.
Unit 4, Lesson 4A, Exercise 2. Apples. Beef. Bread. Carrots. Cheese. Chicken. Crisps. Cucumber. Fish. Green or red peppers. Lamb. Lemon. Lettuce. Melon. Mushrooms. Olives. Onion. Pasta. Peas. Pineapple. Potato. Prawns. Rice. Sandwiches. Sausages. Strawberries. Tomatoes.
Please, can you name?
yes.
You tell me if you are ready, Caroline.
Okay, teacher.
Yes. Okay, number 2. What can you describe in number 2?
Number 2, I see leaves.
Olive.
Right?
What
It's
else?
hard.
Just the 2, bread and olive. Okay, bread, cheese, and olive. There's a cheese, Caroline, this one. Okay, 3. How about number 3?
Number 3, I can see prawns,
Correct. Prawns.
red peppers,
Okay, pepper.
uh,
What's this? This is, okay,
yeah.
prawns and pasta. This one is pasta, the yellow one. Okay, number 4.
Number 4, I can see chips, tomatoes,
Yes. Chips, tomatoes.
let me check.
Okay, crepes, tomato, and sandwich. Okay, number 5.
If I say fish
Fish, what else?
and mushroom.
Mushrooms. Okay,
Yeah.
fish and mushrooms. Okay, fish with mushrooms. Number 6.
I see strawberry, pineapple, and melon.
Okay, it's melon. Okay, melon, strawberries, and pineapple.
Yes.
Very good. We have here. So here, Caroline, please give me 3 only. 3 countable nouns and 3 uncountable nouns. Okay, 3 or 4 countable and uncountable nouns.
Okay.
Okay, 3. Give me 3. Give me countable nouns first. Give me countable nouns first.
Apples, bread, carrot, cucumber, green or red peppers, lemon, melon.
Okay. Okay, so this one. So these are countable nouns. What you mentioned are all correct. How about uncountable?
Uncountable beef, chicken, ribs, fish, lamb, lettuce,
Okay, look up here. Okay, beef, yes, correct. Bread, cheese, chicken, fish, lamb, lettuce, pasta, and rice. This could be bread, can be countable if you were gonna put it in the cellophane and it will be a loaf bread. How many loaf bread? So 1 loaf bread. So that's it. But it's generally when you say bread, it's uncountable nouns. Okay.
okay.
Yeah. Look at the breakfast menu. Which 5 nouns in the menu are countable? Okay, countable. Which here are countable? The one you think it's countable, Caroline.
Uncountable.
5 menu. So we have breakfast menu. So there are countable nouns.
Uncountable. Eggs,
Mm,
pancakes,
Mm-hmm.
yogurt.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Countable
no,
ha, countable, countable.
no yogurt. Toast,
Mm-hmm.
bananas, orange,
Okay. So here, okay, eggs, countable. Pancakes, cakes, bananas, oranges. Okay, these are the five. Okay. So, of course, how do you know that these five are countable nouns? How do you know, Caroline, that these five are countable nouns?
because they can go with number.
Okay, we can, again, come again.
Um,
Because, Caroline, because these
can go with
food,
number.
you can go with a number. It could be because, of course, this food can be counted. Of course, we can count the eggs, the pancakes. How many pancakes do we make today? The cakes, how many cakes? How many bananas and oranges? Okay. Another because they are plural. Eggs. It means we can count many eggs. Pancakes. Okay. Bananas. Okay. So here, Caroline, completing the sentence with a and an and the. Of course, use the, okay, we use the article if it is vowel. Sorry. If it is consonant and vowel and the, it will be the repetitions of the word. Okay, specification of the word. If it is specified, you will gonna use the. Okay. Number one example, okay. He usually cooks meat, fish, or pasta. I think my favorite is the fish. Okay. We use the here because fish is already mentioned in the first sentence. Okay. So we give specification with fish since it is mentioned already. Okay, please answer number 2, 3, and tell me if you are ready.
I'm done.
Okay, number 2, what is the answer?
Number 2, some.
It is 2,
Number 2, some.
3.
Number 3, the.
There is a 4.
Uh,
In a restaurant, but
the restaurant. The.
mhm, quite expensive. Okay, please read all, Caroline.
Number 6, the burger at the cafe are great. And speaker 3, I have a sandwich and some crisps. Sometimes I'm still hungry after the sandwich and some crisps. So I buy
Okay,
an orange.
the crepes because you repeated it already. So I buy.
So I buy an orange or a banana.
Okay, speaker 4.
Speaker 4, I usually have breakfast, but it's just a small cake.
Okay, very good, Caroline. Very easy. I know this is very easy for you. Okay, so this one, oh, wait, Neha. Look at the pictures. How many foods can you identify? And what do you think is your favorite one? Give me 2 of your favorite. Give me 2 of your favorite. You love the
I love crisps and crisps and French fries.
French fries. This one and this one. And together with the cola. Do you drink cola?
Yes.
Okay. So we have here. So read the text. One of these sentences is not true. Which one do you think? We are talking here about junk food advertising. Okay, after you read, please tell me which one is not true from 1 to 3. From the statement 1, 2, and 3.
And then teacher.
Okay, so what is your answer here?
The sentence is not true is number 2.
Okay, so junk food companies say that there is a problem. So this is what you think the sentence which is not true for you. Okay, correct. Okay, because this is an advertising, Caroline. Okay, and it advertises the problem with eating junk foods, which the WHO or the World Health Organizations believe junk food adverts are responsible for a lot of obesity in the children. So yeah, so because when we watch the TV and we can see, oh, there's a new junk food, I need to eat that one. I need to find it in the supermarket. So these kind of adverts in the TV, in the radio, that will trigger the consumer to buy in the supermarket so that they can taste how does it taste good, does it taste not so good. So most likely that will trigger the consumer, especially the children, to ask their mom to buy that particular food. So junk food companies say that there is a problem. Okay. One. Okay, so here. So please try to write in the texts. Find the adjective below in the text and write the prepositions that follow them. The loved ones.
I'm done.
Okay. Number one.
Number 1.
It is
Responsible for.
responsible for. Okay, two.
Two. Worried about.
Worried about. Okay, three.
Number 3. Use it to.
Okay, used to. Okay, four.
Number 4. Popular with.
Yes. Popular with. Okay, how about five?
Number 5. Full of.
Okay, full of. And six.
Keen on.
Keen on. Seven.
Bad for.
Okay, bad for. And eight.
Number 8. Disappointed with.
Okay. Disappointed with. Okay, so these are the prepositions that follow them. Okay, so these are the adjectives, and after that is the prepositions. So look at the example of sentences in these dictionary entries. Identify the prepositions that are used with the adjectives. When you say afraid, okay, look at this. Afraid of. Afraid of snakes. So there is adjective followed by prepositions. Okay, kind. Adjective, kinder, it's kindest. Friendly, good to other people. So there is the preposition. Be kind to. Okay, preposition to. Be kind to animals. Okay. Afraid of, kind to. This is very easy to identify. Okay, completing the sentence using the correct prepositions. Okay, please, Caroline.
I'm done.
Okay, so number 1, are you interested? Please read and answer.
Okay. Number 1. Are you interested in photography?
Are you interested in photography? Okay. 2.
Number 2. Jason loves football, but he isn't very good in it.
Okay, at it. Okay, 3.
Kate is disappointed with
Okay. Okay, correct. 4.
Tom is afraid of dog.
Okay. Tom is afraid of dogs. 5.
You should be kind to your little sister.
Okay, 2.
Number
Okay,
6.
6.
Are you worried about your exam?
Okay. Okay, 7.
R&B music is popular with a lot of teenage.
Okay. And 8.
8. Fizzy drinks and sweets are bad for your teeth.
Okay, fizzy drinks and sweets are bad for your teeth. Yeah, fizzy drinks it's like jelly. Okay, 9.
9. I've got a new phone, but I'm not using it to it yet.
Okay.
Okay. It's what kind of you to help with my homework.
Okay, it was kind of you to help with my homework. Okay, yes, very good. Okay, thank you so much, Caroline, for today. So on Thursday, we're gonna have free talking if you want. So you are gonna talk, you are gonna share to me your things, your day, and you're gonna choose the topic you're gonna ask me about my country. Okay, Caroline?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, thank you. Goodbye, Caroline.
Goodbye, teacher. See
Good
you.
night.
Bye.